Hello and welcome to a new video, perhaps the last one on the construction, about the construction of this Audi. Last work we have to do. There's something that it's not so nice to see, and the front wheel, and it is that the front wheel are in a very good position, but the rear one are two inside. I don't know if you can appreciate, if you can see. So we have to mount these pieces. These are the hexagon, a little bit longer, so the wheel stay wider. In order to do this, I need the hub, the longer hub. In the box I didn't find the two options, so I have had to buy these spare parts. I don't know why in my kit I had not this one. There were all this piece was not in my kit, so I had to buy two, and it is not so cheap, not really expensive indeed, but more money to take out. So we have to open the body, to take away the body. Boom, 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 boom. This so. Disconnect, body apart. Then we have to undo the wheels. Here, the pin is very important not to lose it. Okay, and then we have to open this with perhaps this screw is better. Okay, 1, 2. Attention to the bearings. This is the short one, and herein I have the long. The long one is this 6, number 6, remember, number 6. Okay, this is longer, so I put inside into the bearings, then the transmission. Come on. Okay, the transmission, the wheel, sorry. The wheel.
So, what's the matter? Up and down. What?
Okay. The pin. Then we have to change this with this. So okay, 1, 2, where is it? And 3. Nice. Nice. Very good. You see the difference? This is perfect. This is not so perfect. At the exact position. Let's do the other one. Okay. This is it. Perfect. Body, and lights connector. The lights connector is connected. This way. One. Oh. One. Two. 3. And 4. Okay. Now my Audi. What do you think? Yes, now it's good. Before it looked like a Polish car, a poor car, a Trabant. Now, Trabant was from West Germany, indeed. Oops. So, the alignment is perfect, is more aggressive. Nice Audi. So, by now, that's all. Remember these are the pieces I didn't use. Now I put in the bag and then in the box of the car. So, whenever I need something, I know where to find it. Very good. Now the car is really finished. If you like, thumb up, remember, please. Then subscribe. And up to the next. Bye bye.